Select no sheet format, select A4 landscape and select OK. Select no sheet format, paper size, make it as A4 landscape, select OK. This is our graphics area. So this is the length of 297, height is 210 mm. This is a landscape. Here is our component to which we have to draw the three principal views, that is front view, top view and right side view. This is the front view. From front view we can see this part of portion which I have indicated with F letter, and this portion that is indicated with F. Length of the component is 50 mm. Height of the component is 33 mm. Here we can see here height is given as 18 mm. Let us draw a rough sketch of length 50 and height 33. Next here comes the 12 mm followed by one inclined line. I will show step by step. First select line width, okay, line thickness, take a line command, draw one horizontal line and select line. Rough sketch of 50 mm into height 33 mm. It is draw approx 50 mm, and from here height 33 mm followed by 12 mm, inclined line, okay, join here and make this line as vertical. Now do the dimensioning. Select dimension, length is 50 mm. Next select this vertical line, height is 33 mm, and here comes the length is 12 mm. Here height is 18 mm. This portion is inclined up to at 12 mm. So here draw a line of 12 mm, end chain, make the dimension, make it as 12. From here, from this point to this point. Next, trim this line or select and delete the line. From this point, draw one inclined line up to this corner. Select end chain. See in the front view, it looks like this. This is the front view. Now we shall change the line thickness. So this is the front view. Next, top view. This is in the top view, it looks like this portion, this and this. I have represented by letter T. Take a line command. Draw the thin lines in the chain. From here again draw another thin line. From this point one more thin line. Now take a line command. Draw one horizontal line. This is the length is 50 mm. Next width is 40 mm. Approx 40 mm. Do the dimension. It is 40 mm. So from top view we can see this portion. Make it thin, thick. Okay. Next we can also see this portion, that is from top view it looks like a rectangle. Next from here draw one inclined line and make dimension distance from this point to this point, it must be 6 mm. Okay, this distance is 6 mm. Enter 6. In top view this component looks like this. Okay, next we shall go for the right view. In the right view we can see this portion, this part of the portion and this portion. Take a thin line, take a line command, draw one vertical line. From here draw one 45 degrees line. Dimension angle is 45 degrees. Take a line and command, extend these lines. Sorry, we have to extend till this 45 degrees line. Next, from this point, draw vertical lines. From here, draw horizontal line. Okay, now in the side view, right side view, we can see this portion 1, 2, 3 parts. Take a line command, take a thick line, from here to here, next here, height is 33 mm, width is 40 mm. This is the side view, width is 40 mm, height is 33 mm. Next, from side view, we can see this line. From here, draw one horizontal line up to this point, and from this corner, left bottom corner, draw one inclined line up to this portion. Okay, in the side view, it looked like this. You can see this portion, next followed by this and this rectangle portion. Now do the dimensioning for this. Height is 33, width is 40 mm, length is 50 mm. Here distance between these two is 6 mm. Height is 18 mm. This is 12 and this is 12. So all the dimensions are up to date. In the bottom, specify it as all the dimensions are in mm. Take a text. The bottom, all dimensions are in millimeter. So this is your first exercise. Thank you. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you.